Hey there, first grade. It's me and my buddy, Rashid. And, I'm a little annoyed with Rashid right now because normally he kind of sits back here in his spot and he's pretty well behaved. I mean, we talk throughout the day and sometimes we read together or we do phonics just for fun. I mean, this phonics is so much fun. And today I came in and he wasn't in his spot, which is unusual. But then I found this naughty little lion had cut up some of my work. So I had this word written on a card. And then it was... What? What did you say? You didn't do this? Well, if you didn't cut my word apart, who did? Oh, there's a letter. There's a letter. Rashid told me there's a letter about why my word is cut apart. Let's take a look at this word really quickly. Do you see my word? I had it all together like this. Yeah, it was the word into. And then somebody just cut it into half. Rashid says it's not him. I know it's not my children because they don't cut this well. So I wonder who in the world has cut my word apart. But Rashid said he put a letter in here, so let's see if he did. Rashid, is this the letter you were talking about? Yeah? Oh, okay. All right, so I should read it? Okay, I should. It says, sorry we cut up your snap word. We wanted to show you what to look out for in your books. Two words can fit together like puzzle pieces and make words like into. They are called compound words. Now you're ready for case number 4, the compound word puzzle. Another case? Rashid, was it the SSDA that came in? Oh, and they cut my word apart. I see. Can you go back to your spot for a minute so I can teach? Okay, thanks. I'll go back to his spot. You stay there this time. So they're telling us that words can fit together. Two words can fit together like puzzle pieces and make words like in two. That makes one word, in two. They're both words on their own. This is the word in. This is the word two. Two little words. But when they fit together, they make the word into. I'd like to get into bed and take a nap. I'd like to get into the pool to cool off. Pretty cool. All right, let's see if there's any other words like this that we could look at. Let's take a peek. Oh, here's our puzzle. Or not our puzzle, but our case. Case number 4, the compound word puzzle. Compound words are like puzzle pieces. They have smaller words in them that fit together to make a bigger word. Okay. You can look from start to end, so that would mean from left to right, to find the first little word, and then the second one. Detectives put those pieces together to solve long words. Okay. All right. Well, let's try that together. Let's grab our laser here. And let's look at this word. Now, it says that compound words, like this word, have smaller words inside of them, and that you need to look from left to right. You need to find the first word, and then the second word, and then put them together to figure out what the whole word is. Okay, so let's look. You guys see with your detective eyes, do you see if you look from left to right, a small word here? Yeah, I see it. We know this word. What is it? It's the word to. Right. And how about, well, here's another word. It's day. So if we put these two words together, what have we made? Today. It's a compound word. Just like they said, two smaller words that fit together to make a bigger word. All right. Well, why don't you guys look at this one for a second? See if you can figure it out. We have to look from left to right and look for the first word we see. I see it. Do you see it? Guys, do you know what this word is? That's the word out. Excellent. How about this one? Yeah, that's the word side. So two smaller words, but when we put them together, they make one big word. But when we kind of look and find those pieces of words, it makes it so much easier to read. What is this word? It's outside. Yeah. So I happen to know that there are lots and lots of compound words out there. You're going to find these a ton in your reading, and you're even probably going to start using them in your writing. So what I want you to do is, in just a moment, I want you to grab a whiteboard and a marker. I'm going to have you pause the video, so sit tight. Once you grab your whiteboard and your marker, I want you to hit pause. And I want you to look at each one of these 8 compound words. And I want you to see if you can read them. I want you to see if you can divide them into 2 separate words and then put them back together. So what you're going to do, let me grab my eraser, is you're going to write the word, and I'm going to use into a word that we've already done. Got it? And then I'm going to break it up into those 2 smaller words. I'm going to circle in, and I'm going to circle 2. Guys, 2 little words to make up that big compound word into. Lucky for you, that one's on the screen, so I did that one for you. So what I want you to do right now is with your whiteboard and marker or a pencil and piece of paper, if that's what you have, I want you to pause the video. And I want you to write down each one of these words, so 8 all together. And I want you to circle the 2 little words inside the big word. And then when we come back, we're going to read through them and see if you're right. Okay. Go ahead and pause the video. I'll see you back here in just a few moments. Okay, so were you able to figure out these compound words? Let's read them together, okay? And that will help you to know whether or not you got them right. All right, let's read this one. Playground. Play. Ground. And it goes together to make playground. Great. Well, this one we kind of know because I gave this one to you. Let's read those little words. In, to, and when we crash those parts together like Miss Miller taught us in reading, it's into. Great. How about this one? Baseball. We've got base and ball, and when we put them together, it's baseball. Good job. All right, this one I thought was a little tricky. What do you think it is? It's sidewalk. That's right. Side, walk, and together they make sidewalk. Good. All right, take a look at this one here. This one should be pretty easy. We found cup, cake, and when we put it together, cupcake. Great. All right, the next one. Fire, place. Put them together. Fireplace. Good job. Check the next one. Sun, shine. Put them together. Sunshine. And then our last one. This one's a trickier one. We've got that OU there that can be tricky. Out, side, and when we put them together, we've got outside. Word detectives. You did a great job. This isn't the easiest thing to do, but when we see great big words in our reading, it's always helpful to look and see, is this really just one big tricky word, or are there smaller words that are put together to make that great big word? So that's something you're going to have to keep an eye out for with your detective eyes, okay, as you're reading and you're writing. Thanks for helping me look at Case 4. We're going to do a couple more things with Case 4 here in just a few minutes, but Rashid and I want to sign off and say we'll see you later. Thank you for being such amazing word detectives.